Welcome to this tutorial on how to transcribe video with Descript. Descript is an innovative tool that allows you to edit audio and video like a Word document. To get started, first create an account on the Descript website and download the app. Once installed, upload your video file to Descript, which supports a wide range of formats. After uploading, Descript will automatically generate a transcript of your video. This process may take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. Once the transcript is generated, you can review and edit it for accuracy. Descript's transcription feature uses artificial intelligence to identify speakers and timestamp each section of the transcript. To edit the transcript, simply click on the text and type in your corrections. You can also add or remove speakers and adjust the timestamp as needed. Descript's editor is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to make changes quickly and efficiently. One of the key features of Descript is its ability to sync the transcript with the video. This means that as you edit the transcript, the corresponding section of the video will be updated in real time. This feature allows you to see exactly how your changes will affect the final product. In addition to transcription, Descript also offers a range of other features, including the ability to add music, sound effects, and captions to your video. You can also use Descript to collaborate with others in real time, making it a powerful tool for team projects. Best practices for transcribing video with Descript include reviewing your transcript carefully for accuracy, using clear and concise language, and adding timestamps to help with navigation. By following these steps and using Descript's powerful features, you can create high-quality transcripts and videos with ease. In conclusion, Descript is a powerful tool for transcribing video, offering a range of features and an intuitive interface. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can learn how to use Descript to create high-quality transcripts and videos, and take your video production to the next level.